Sabi nila pag nirelease ko daw yung dilaw, sasabihin ko kung para kanina yung dilaw. Siya yung tao na will do everything for the sake of success.
Ngayon, nandito ako sa Dilaw Fest and super nag-enjoy ako. Ang daming sushi, ang daming tao.
What's up, K-Musify? This is Maki. Sabi nila pag nirelease ko daw yung dilaw, sasabihin ko kung para kanina yung dilaw. Sabihin ko na ngayon. I wrote this song for myself, for my kid's self. Kaya when I was writing this song, sabi ko, ang happy-happy nung song, bakit ako umiiyak habang susulat ko? And I realized na para akong nakikipag-usap sa bata ko sarili. And then realizing na all along, I've been looking for a love na hindi ko mahanap. I've been looking for a love na mag-accept sa akin. But all along, sarili ko lang din pala yun. And to be able to love other people, you really need to love yourself. So para sa akin, very wholesome yung song na to kasi whenever I listen to it, I always cry kasi para sa akin talaga siya. Walang specific na tao para siya sa akin. So, sino man yung dilaw na yun, ako yun. Actually, medyo drastic yung change since very sad boy talaga yung EP Tanong. Marami talaga akong malungkot na songs which a lot of people nakarelate talaga. But I'm glad kasi akala ko talaga hindi agad magigets ng tao na may bagong song na masaya naman. I'm really glad kasi from this transition, hindi ko in-expect na ganito agad. 1 million, tapos biglang #1 trending sa YouTube Music. So, it's really, really overwhelming. I will always savor the moment, every day. Kasi healing era na natin, tama na. Pero, I'm just, writing songs according to my life. Kung ano yung nangyari sa buhay ko. So, I'm really glad na yung mga tao, nagigets din nila kung ano yung song talaga. And yung chapter na to, yung binubuksan nating pinto for my music. Challenges, well, initially talaga ang pinakamalaking challenge is yung schedule. Because we couldn't talagang, sit down and plan kung ano na ganito, kung ano ganyan. But kasi, with the team na meron ako ngayon, lahat sila hands-on, pati ako hands-on, yung matutulog na lang ako, tapos may idea ako, sasabihin ko na agad sa kanila. Siguro, yung mga challenges na to actually para sa akin, hindi siya naging hadlang kung ano yung gusto namin mangyari. Kasi whatever happens, pinupush namin, Kaya nangyari din lahat to. Everything was made possible because of that heart na meron kami lahat. Growing up talaga, I've always been dreaming. Talaga, nangangarap talaga ako maging director. I took communication arts nung college ako. And I learned a lot, sa school namin. I got really emotional when I saw myself kasi co-directed by Maki. So, nandito ako sa life ko ngayon na I'm now able to say kung ano yung gusto ko mangyari, and I love that people trust me with it, So marami din salamat, sa team ng Mao Studios, of course, kila Direct JD Alberto, na tumulong, tulong-tulong talaga kami dito to conceptualize kung ano yung talaga gusto namin i-portray sa visuals ng Dilaw. And I feel like successful naman siya na portray namin, and it's something really different from, Philippine media. And it's something na I will always cherish. Itong music video na to lahat ng pagmamalaki kasi I took part, of directing it. Siyempre, maraming salamat din kay Direct JD for, allowing me to express my ideas sa music video na to. Alam niyo, para kaming nag-bonding sa set. Kasi parang hindi kami nag-work. Kasi kami ni Maloy talaga, you know, we have this same energy. Hindi kami nailang, wala kaming naisip na or wala kaming na-feel na bad omen during the shoot. Para lang kami nag-bonding talaga. Pumunta kami ng probinsya, naglaro-laro sa damuhan, ganun. But siguro one thing that I realized while working with Maloy is that isa siyang tao na napaka-passionate sa work. And I felt that ang dami niyang, you know, pinaglalaban as a person. Siya yung tao na will do everything for the sake of success. You know, she's really the epitome of like a person who's really thriving for betterness, thriving for perfection. Kapag parehas kami dun sa part na yun, kaya feeling ko super din namin, aligned din talaga ideals namin when it comes to work ethics. So nung nag-work kami, you know, pag shoot na, transform kami ni Maloy. So medyo makulit lang kami, pero you know, and parehas din kaming artist. Kasi ako, I've always been a fan of like visual artists and you know, local artists here in the Philippines. And para sa akin kasi I would like to advocate for local artists here in the Philippines who doesn't have enough opportunities when it comes to work. Even yung sa mga respect from other people na pag sinabi ng mga tao na, ay, impractical yung kukunin mong course kasi arts, ganyan. Gusto ko sanang ma-bring up dito and sa music video na to, with this idea, with this concept and music video, na we could at least give a little respect for all of the people who wants to pursue arts. Kasi grabe, napakagaling ng Pinoy when it comes to arts, performing arts, visual arts, lahat talaga. So, masaya ako dahil napoportray namin yun. And you know, kami ni Maloy, very, din kami talaga, arts inclined kami dalawa. You know? We grew up with pencils and papers, colors and papers. So, I'm really glad na lahat to, it all fell into place. Madami talaga. But siguro for now, I would like to solidify what's here. Kung ano yung na-explore ko as an artist, I feel like darating naman yan you know. Darating yan na pag, I think, if click kami nitong artist na to. Even, hindi pa naman ako sobrang big artist, pero you know, even small artist or big artist, I'm G. As long as, you know, we have the same connection, we have the same ideals when it comes to music. So sana, you know, sa mga kasame ko dyan, hit me up. Chat niya ako. International. Ako yun, international actually. Yung music ko, I would like to, you know, expand. Kasi I also write English songs, pero for some reason nga syempre ngayon, nag-work yung Tagalog songs ko. But, di ba, feeling ko may may something din pag nag-release ako ng English song. So, sana I look forward na yun soon. Maybe, di ba, minsan, di natin alam, baka mamaya. Siguro yung yung drawing scenes namin ni Maloy, yung nagdo-drawing kami. Lahat ng drawing scenes namin, on the day lang namin din drawing. So yung pinunit na part dun sa music video, on the day lang ko siya din drawing. Oh, hindi siya fun fact, medyo sad na fact. Kasi sa first part ng music video, nakita namin mga bullies. And, you know, trigger warning sa mga nabully. Kasi ako talaga, I'm saying this in the open, na I've been bullied when I was in elementary. And there was a scene talaga, yung scene na pinunit, meron talaga akong classmate, pinakita ko sa kanya yung drawing, tapos pinunit niya. So, gusto ko siyang makita din dun sa music video. Paano ko nahanap yung people na para sa akin? You know, like Maloy and Maki, they found solace in each other. So, sa mga nabubuli or sa mga taong feeling na inferior sila, you just have to find the right people around, you know. And never doubt kung ano yung meron ka, because even though you're different, even though you're not like everybody else, you will find your people. Like how I found mine. Ngayon,
Yes.
dami. NIPEN, Treasure, Espa. Old ka talaga, Red Velvet. Pero sa 4th gen kasi, madami din ako sa 5th gen. Dami. Ang pinaka-old ko talaga is BTS and Red Velvet.
Oh, ayos.
Tapos Twice. Tapos, ang dami, maubos yung memory nyo. Promise.
So we're going to watch next week for the Twice fan.
So broken hearted. Hindi kaya ng schedule ko. As in talagang, hindi talaga sila kumakabit. Pero feeling ko talaga someday, magkikita kami ni Sandra. Yung kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw sa lilim ng mula. Yung second verse ng Dilaw, it's very kasi sa first part parang nagsusumbong siya eh. Sa second part, second verse kasi, sobra niya ng jolly, sobra niya ng accepted na hindi naman to delikado pala kasi humingiti na ako ulit. Kumbaga, yung fear natin to be happy kasi minsan, yun yung nangunguna eh. Kasi, sa dami natin na experience na, hala, mamaya pag sobrang saya ko, bigla akong sobrang lungkot kinabukasan ko. Pero syempre, dapat, you have to savor the moment. When you're happy this time, you're happy now, just be happy now. Be at the present time.
Yeah.
So, ayun, yun yung part talaga na sobrang grabe sa akin na even though minsan ang harsh ng araw sa atin, pero bigla na lang may lilim ng ulap na dumarating. And for some reason, everything's okay na. Kasi maliwanag pero may lilim. Keep up with trends on K-Musify.
Yeah.
Reporting live, Angela Ken in the house. So, dito po, katatapos lang po ng Dilaw Fest, and based sa experience ko, of course, unang-una sa lahat, sobrang proud ako kay Maki na ganito na, eto na to. And launch pa lang to guys so marami pa kayong expect sa kanya. And sa Dilaw Fest, grabe. As in, saludo ako sa lahat ng sushi, sa lahat ng pumunta. Kasi rain or shine, talagang nag-shine kayong lahat. Kayo yung naging ilaw namin lahat. Talagang kayo yung nag-brighten up nung gabi. Kayo yung dilaw. Kaya congratulations Makoy. Alam mo naman na yon. And congrats to everyone sa bumubuo po ng Dilaw Fest.
Masasabi sa Dilaw Fest sobrang solid dahil ako lagi ko nakakasama si Maki mag-perform. Pero iba pa rin yung as an audience na nanonood ka. And super proud of Maki sa lahat ng mga achievements niya. And ayun, stream Dilaw.
Ngayon nandito ako sa Dilaw Fest and super nag-enjoy ako. Ang daming sushi, ang daming tao. And nakagawa si Maki ng event na for artist. Nakakatuwa. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung success niya and sana mas marami pang